measurement, there are some conversions. We want to know them. First one, 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. In opposite, 1000 milliliter equals to 1 liter. Both are same. Thereafter, next one is 1 milliliter equals to 1 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter. Thereafter, next one. So, similarly, when you get 1000 milliliter, 1 milliliter equals to 1 cubic centimeter. That means 1000 milliliter should be equals to exactly 1000 cubic centimeter. We know that 1000 milliliters, that is equals to 1 liter. No? 1000 milliliters equals to 1 liter. So instead of this, I will substitute it as 1 liter should be equals to 1000 cubic centimeters. These are the conversions we are going to use here. And next thing, 1 cubic meter. 1 cubic meter, that is equal to 1000 liters. This is also an important one. Mostly students will do many mistakes in these conversions. Cubic meters to liters. 1 cubic centimeter equals to just 1 milliliter. But look at this. 1 cubic meter means that is too huge. 1000 milliliter. So you should know them. And I will explain how this one came from. Because even I am giving you the proper answer, you should know how this one came from. No, otherwise, there is no any use of the memorizing of this unit conversion. We will derive how this one came from. So I will take 1 cubic meters equals to 1000 liters. We are going to prove this one is correct or wrong. For that, I am going to use left hand side method equals to right hand side method. We've studied those things in algebraic expressions. That's what I'm going to here as well. So first of all, look at this. So 1 cubic meter means I can write it as 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. How this 1 cubic meter came from? 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. Same. So 1 meter, it can be expressed as 100 centimeters. Instead of 1 meter, I am writing 100 centimeters multiplied by another 1 meter. So 100 centimeters times another 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Now we will multiply all of them. 100 times 100 times 100. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, that is 1 cubic centimeters. Here what I am doing is I am going to prove this conversion is correct or wrong. That's what we are doing here. 1 meter cube is indicated as 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. So 1 meter means in centimeters. 100 into 100 into 100, it is 1 million cubic centimeters. We know that 1 milliliter equals to 1 cubic centimeter. So that means 1 million cubic centimeter should be equal to 1 million milliliters. This is equals to 1 million milliliters. 1 million milliliters. Somehow we came closer to our answer. Thereafter we know that 1000 milliliters equals to 1 liter. 1000 milliliters equals to 1 liter. So now we have the milliliter measurements. When I divide this by 1000, we can obtain the liter measurements. So I'll simplify them. So 1000 divided by 1 is exactly 1000 liters. You don't want this explanation, but you should know. On my wish, if you know this, that is an additional advantage for your knowledge. Not only to gain the mark, you should have some knowledge about these things too. That's why we are doing like this. So 1 cubic meter should be equals to 1000 liters. These are the three important things you should remember while we are doing the conversions. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters and 1 milliliter equals to 1 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic meter is equals to 1000 liters. And this one also. If you understood these things clearly, you can do the calculation with centimeter or measurement without any hesitation. You can do the question directly. If I give you cubic centimeter measurement, now we know the basics. No, yeah, I'll give you 2500 cubic centimeters. First of all, you should convert that to milliliters. Ratio between cubic centimeters to milliliter exactly same. This one is 1, this one also would be exactly 1. So it is 2500 milliliter as well. Now milliliter to liters. We know that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. So likewise, from milliliter to liter, you should divide this amount by 1000 to get the answer. 2500 divided by 1000 means the decimal should move 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So it would be 2.5 liters. 2.5 liters. That is the conversion. Then another question. Here I'll give you this one as 10,000 milliliters. First, let's find the milliliter to cubic centimeter. So exact same one. This one also 10,000 cubic centimeters. Then let's find for liters. If 1000 milliliter equals to 1 liter, 10,000 milliliter should be equal to 10 liters. 10 liters. Then here I'll give you 0.5 liters. 0.5 liters. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. 0.5 liter means half of it. It would be 500 milliliters. 500 milliliters. In cubic centimeter also it is exactly 500 cubic centimeter. We know everything as individual. This is a combination of conversions from cubic centimeters to milliliters to liters. So this is the way you should work on it. You should have the basics clear. Thereafter, you can do the multiplication or division according to the instance. So the first one, 5250 cubic centimeter. In milliliter also same one, 5250 milliliter. In liters, it should be divided by 1000. So you the decimal digits left inside. It would be 5.25 liters. And the second one, 0.02 liter. To make it as a milliliter, you should multiply this by 1000. That means the decimal should move 3 digits right hand side. 1, 2, 3. There is no this here. I can substitute that 0. It is 20 milliliters. You know how to multiply by 1000 and divide by 1000. So you should do that. 20 milliliters and 20 cubic centimeters. And in the third one, 9595 milliliter in cubic one also, 9595 cubic meters. And in liters, it would be 9.595 liters. And finally, no, two more. 773 liters means 770, 7,700 cubic. In liters, 7.7 liters. Instead of this, you can write 7.0 liters. Both are correct. 1.25 liters means 1250 milliliters. In cubic centimeters, 1250 cubic centimeter